Thanks for visiting my channel again. And these past few days that we have some cold front to the place I live, so I'm scared to use the heater, more especially for those carbon monoxide that you cannot see it. So this one they call it silent killer. So I decided to get from Amazon. This is the very good deal I see. It's to be exact, it's $28.13, include tax and everything, shipping to your door for like 24 hours. The brand is Promtex 4-in-1 carbon monoxide gas detector. This one is very compact, size of this popsicle stick. So let's open it so that you can see it. Maybe smaller than that. So let's cut this box for you guys. And yeah, pull it out. So this is so let's put this one. So that's and pull it out in a box now. And use this knife to make sure you don't damage the box. There. So here's the unit. So compare it side to side for this popsicle stick. Popsicle stick is longer, so this one is compact. So you can open this one like this. So press this one and you can twist it. To see how is big the manual is, like half of sheet of paper, like coupon bun. So I just access first the nearest outlet that I have around my house. So this one is auto voltage. You can see from input voltage 100 to 220 volts. So you can use this one internationally. And there's a lot of opening holder for detection. And that's the side, the front. And put this one now. Let's see if so. Here's the beep, and the screen start to be on, and now it's there. Very visible. You can see the light, and just press one of this so that I can show you. So that's, you want to shut it up, and it's back. So we are in centigrade, so we just gonna put in Fahrenheit. So to put that in Fahrenheit, you can just do long press. Now it's in Fahrenheit. We have 68 inside. So short press on this one to unmute. Put it in action. So it's back to the sounds. And if you want to do the brightness, you can press this one once, a little bit lighter, 50%, and then push another one, shut down, but they can still detect whatever going on because it bother you, there's a light. So just put it again, and back to the very brightness. This one, it blinks the normal, so it means they never did nothing, as long that you didn't see any number there and you didn't see heard any blink or any beep. So it means you're in safe mode, so you don't need to worry about anything. So you have this gadget now, so you have a peace of mind when you sleep. or whatever you do, so you're safe. So I think that be it. So I already get your all information. If you want to do the Celsius I show you earlier, just press this one firmly. It's gonna be changed by Celsius because we use Fahrenheit. That's why I use those. You want to be a little bit dim, you can close your light, and that's it look like. So I do it in the daytime. Open it again. And one of I discovered too, if you want to this one's up, so if they bother you like that, so you can push this one firmly, and it's gonna change the number upside down. Now you can put this one up if you want. You can do that too. That's a good design there. And put it back in the other position that you want earlier. And it's gonna back to the position that you want earlier. So that's a good design there. I like this one, very clever. So hopefully it lasts. And I just want to repeat again, don't worry about the green, so no worries. That one is part of the design. As long as you don't see any number, then it's all 00, you're safe. You can sleep good at night. So they can wake you up by hearing some beeping. So be safe for you. And hopefully this one is last. So let's see, the only time that can tell if this one's last. And they have only 1 year warranty. It says in a manual. They have a very little information in a manual. It's very short explanation there, but it's very straightforward to use it. So now in my house, inside is 71 and the humidity is 32. So that'll be it. Thank you very much, and thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day. See you next time. Peace. I'm out. Thanks. And if I've asked me if I suggest to buy this one, 99% yes for the price. Very compact, easy to use it, 4-in-1, and I think that'll be it. Thanks again. Bye-bye.